people. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to design this realistic background and use it in your video. And the essence of designing the background is, in case you are finding it difficult to do a video because of background, and this is a way you can do it easily and be comfortable without stressing yourself. If this video is what you want to see, please do well to stay tuned to the end of this video, because we are going to be taking it back to back. If you are a newcomer that just opened my video, thank you for coming by, and if you are my old subscriber, thank you for always sticking to my video. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumb up, and also like the video. You can even help me to share it. Thank you very much. You can even help me to share it for others to see. Let me show you the magic. So you come to your Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome, and I type pixel, and this is pixel. This is the picture here. It opens, like in my previous video, I told you that I've already signed in. That's why I'm here. If you have not signed in, if you are just seeing it for the first time, you have to sign in before you get to this place. And here, I'm choosing a video. What I want is a video background and not a video background and not a photo background. So I'm going to choose video instead of a photo, and let me just type something. So I'm checking to see the type of background I use. I like here. Let me see what is here. So you point like this if it is the one you like, and it's going to animate for you to see. So I didn't like that, and I'm going to come back here. I'm going to come back to this. Then I will look for, I'm choosing another one. You type what you want in that space for it to open, and you'll be able to be checking the ones you want. Like I said before, if it is a YouTube background, it needs to be landscape. If it is in Facebook or any other social media, it will be portraits. So the background I'm looking for is not there. Let me check this Paris architecture. Okay, let's check this. You see this one, and if I like it, I'm going to save it and use it. So what I'm doing is in a landscape. So let me look for something that is in landscape. If you want this, you point it and see how far. If it is this one, you point it and also see how far. So whichever video or whichever background you need, just point it and the motion will start, and you will see if it is what you really want. So anyone you like, you can download it, and after downloading it, you can be able to use it for your video. I've opened this one. Is Israel. This one is Israel, and let me check this. Okay, let's say I want to use this one now. Then I've downloaded it. like I want to use, I click on here, download, so it's downloaded here. So I'm going to go to my phone, my laptop, to see in my gallery if it is there. I come to download, see the picture, see another one, see another one. So I have 3 pictures now. These ones are the one I've already downloaded. So we're going to be working with this in this tutorial. This is my Capcut. I go to new projects, then come to import. I'll first of all import the background I did. This is the background. Okay. Then, since it's a video, I cannot, adjust it to fit in in the space. So what I do, I copied it and paste. I copied it and I pasted it. So I go back to import, then look for the video I did. Look for the video I did, and this is the video here. Bring it, then open it. So I'm going to overlay this background. I bring it because this is laptop. If it is but a laptop, you just bring it up and So I'm going to cut it off. Then I'll have to copy the background to make sure it covers the space. I'm trying to adjust it. This is what we do. Overlaying a video, you have to do a lot of work. So you pay attention and give it time, be patient to do a little work. That is what I'm trying to do now. So I come to this place, tap on the video, which is this one that I want to change the background, and I highlight it, come to cut out, I click on auto cut out. This is auto cut out. Then let's wait for it to finish. So allow it to finish cutting out so that your video will not break. Allow it to finish its work. The cutout has finished. This my video, as you can see it here. My personal self is brighter than the background, and we have to do something to make it to be related, to have something similar in the background. So what am I supposed to do? I come here. Though if you want it to be here, you can still shift it so that it will not block the real video for you. You can still keep it here. So if I like, I can still put it this side. This is a way. If I like, I can also put it in the center where you can do it easily. And so I want to, do small transition or small effect, or let me just say filter. Then I want something that will not make the video to be too bright. So you can choose any one you like. I'm checking on the type of effect I want. Let me see this glow. If I want to use this glow, I'm going to drag it. So let me try this effect. I think I prefer this one. So after I finish adding my background, the next thing I'm going to do is to export it. I come to export, then click export, then change the name and say export.